a quick test drive. We have 66,378 miles on the odom. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Alignment's awesome. As you can see, my hand is off the wheel. I'm gonna hit the brakes right here. Brakes are solid, no vibrations from the steering wheel. Shifts nice and smooth, really no complaints with the drivability. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car was previously plasti dipped, and so it was removed, but you are gonna have little residuals left over in some of these smaller areas like this. So you're gonna see the dip kind of oversprayed in here. I see a little bit there, and I'll show you as we go throughout the car just some of the spots that are kind of left over. You can see it all in the jams here, and so you can see that's dip, see how it peels off, but it's all throughout the jams. Got it all on the edge here. You're gonna see that residue, and so you can see it does wipe off. You're gonna have to spend a little bit of time with it, and you're gonna have it all in these little jams. Then they also, looks like they plasti dipped these wheels, so you're gonna see a little bit of overspray throughout, and if you kind of scratch on it, it will peel off. I believe they were a silver face, so you're gonna have some overspray there. Looking at the fender, a couple little chips here and there. A few small chips on the A-pillar. I'm going to see all of the leftover dip there as well. Mirror looks good. Couple chips here and there. Now this car has a Carfax report on this side, so the fender, door, quarter panel have all been repainted, possibly the bumper edge. I'll have to look, but they did a great job. The color looks really nice. Now right here, all of this clear coat is missing. Looks like they tried to take off that PPF and it just like ripped all the clear off, so you're gonna see little chunks missing. And then there's a lot of sanding marks. Here's a large chip down to the bare metal, and some more gashes. So that whole section right there would need to be repaired at some point. All right, all of this was repaired. So you can see all of this looks really nice. Now there's a little dimple in the paint here, but they did a great job color matching it. Looks really, really nice. A lot of sparkle in that paint. Quarter panel looks good. Here you can see the overspray all on the wheel and the spokes. So from here, looks pretty good. Of course, up close, you're gonna see all the overspray and where they did not get full coverage. You're gonna see this is all chewed up here. And then you can see it at the right angle right there. There's some paint drips and wet sanding marks, some sort of flaws right there. That looks good. And this tire is from 2021. It's a Continental Extreme Contact. And this is a Yokohama Advan, and the date code on this one I believe is 2023. And then looking in here, you do have some marks and scuffs on the carpet, and then Close on the edges, you're gonna see some plasti dip residue kind of remaining, but it looks like most of this was all removed really well. And then you're gonna have some overspray all on these edges on the plastic. And this strut does not stay open, so it needs new struts there. But otherwise, it looks really good. Underside of the hood looks nice. Plastics are in great condition. And looking at this hood, looks like it has been repainted as well. You're gonna see some imperfections all throughout the paint. You're gonna see that orange peel effect, little dimples. You have some typical rock chips that have been touched up. I'm looking at the front. Looks like it has been repainted as well. You're gonna see little dimples throughout. The lenses look really nice. If we get up close, you're gonna see the rock impacts. You got the holes drilled here for a front license plate if you want to add one back. There is some flaws here in the paint. It's hard to see. Being silver though, it hides it really well. This is ripped. You got rash under here. And then you're just gonna see all the plasti dip right here left over. You can see it all under here. And on this side as well. Alright, looking at that fender. Paint looks really nice. We do have a scratch there. Looking at this wheel, I believe it was plasti dipped as well. You're gonna see a little bit of overspray. Middle looks good though. This tire is a Continental from 2021. You're gonna have the plasti dip overspray all throughout that crack. That looks good. Mirror looks nice. You're gonna see it all in here. You do have some chips along that edge. A couple little scuffs here and there. There's no PPF there. That was removed. So you're gonna see the rock impacts there. That area looks pretty clean, so it was probably freshly removed. A little chip here, a couple small ones. That looks nice. This is an Advent Sport tire, date code 2023. See the kind of overspray. But from a distance, looks pretty good. And then of course this area here is going to be chewed up a little bit with rocks. That taillight looks nice. That taillight looks good. Marker lights are clean. Got a gash there that's been touched up. Got a gash there. The rest of that's in great condition. You got some overspray of the paint in here, plasti dip. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. This panel is separating here. Typical scratches here. You have the shine on that. This all looks nice and matte. Everything's nice and tight. Couple small scuffs. You do have some gashes and wear on that weather stripping. Got a dent here. Got some gashes there. You can see these little gashes here. Looking at that bolster, that's in great condition. Some deeper wrinkles here. That bolster looks nice. Seat back looks good. You do have little fingernail scratches throughout the steering wheel. around the edges. All of those lines. Upper side of the dash looks good. Typical scratches here. The rest of that looks nice. Screen's in great condition. You do have a lot of wear right there. Checking out this side, this panel right here is lifting, and you're going to see it lifting all throughout that edge. That looks good. The rest of that's really clean. The plastic trim is in great condition. You do have some dimples here, typical wrinkles, but that bolster looks really good. That looks nice. Back seat looks good here. Console looks good. You do have some scratches right there on the plastic. Everything else in here looks really nice. And looking at the back seats, they're in great condition. That seat back looks good. This side looks amazing. Engine area looks really nice. Of course, you're getting those jams once again. You're gonna have all that plastic dip overspray. Underside here looks really good.